Yeah. Yan naman yun. Guys, we are here in the Qiblatin Mosque, one of the famous mosques here in Medina. It's very beautiful. We're done praying because it's just very quick. That's fun. This is the Qiblatin Mosque. We're going now, we're done. So we are done praying in the Masjid Qiblat, Qiblatin. And punta tayo doon sa taas. Pakita ko sa inyo yung design ng labas ng mosque na to. Nandun tayo kanina, very quick lang kasi wala tayong enough time. So ayun, punta tayo sa taas. So punta tayo sa taas, guys. Ayan, ito yung sa taas niya. Super nice. Ayan, hindi tayo pwede magano dito. Kasi stricto yung yung bantay. Ayan ang hul ng Magpa-picture tayo doon. Picture na tayo doon. May nag-picture sa atin. At ito. Ito yung view. Super nice. Ang linis. Ayan. Dito sana, wala tayong kasama. Mag-picture sana dito, maganda. Na-picture na tayo doon. Tapos ito. From there. And there. Now we are done. We cannot go visit everywhere because we don't have enough time. Our time is just 20 minutes to visit this Masjid Qiblatin. Okay, we are asked to go. Yes. Ano? Ah. Down is there. That's the Masjid Qiblat. we are going down. Here is so beautiful. Still 2 minutes. We're going to run because we are just enough. Don't have enough time. Only 2 minutes. That's the highlight of our visit here to pray in this masjid Qiblatin. We are done. Guys, we are done visiting a very famous mosque here, and we're going back in our service kasi wala tayong enough time, only 25 minutes, and we are still lucky we did a visit and we did a prayer here. Inshallah. Bye. Bye guys.